Breaking: huge argument on why Shiba Inu coin will break all records this month, explained. The Shiba Inu cryptocurrency coin might join the Robinhood platform in January 2022, according to a new report. A Shiba Inu News Twitter account said it had spoken with an insider at Robinhood, who was not named, about the future of Shiba Inu coin. Today we're going to talk all about the SHIB's listing on Robinhood, which will be taking place in January. So watch this video till the end, because today's video is going to be the bomb. Welcome to Shiba Inu Coin, your daily dose of Shiba. If you're interested in everything around Shiba, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the SHIB news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more SHIB news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on the 26th of December, shall we? The correction phase that started in November last year took a significant toll on SHIB token prices. The pair lost 65% of its value and plunged to $31 million support. However, the price is obtaining decent demand pressure from the bottom support, suggesting an upcoming rally. Moreover, recent news for this token is that Australia's longest-running crypto exchange, CoinJar, will be listing Shiba Inu with 6 other coins. On December 20th, the coin price experienced intense selling pressure, which made a low of $2,885 million. However, the bulls stepped in and turned the price with a doji-type candle by the end of the day. Furthermore, the coin shows a strong follow-up candle charging towards the overhead resistance of $3,775 million. The SHIB token price shows a V-shaped recovery in this lower timeframe chart. The token is currently trading at $348.10 million, indicating a 14% growth from lower support. Anyhow, the token still needs to breach and sustain above the $3,775 million resistance, providing a better confirmation for a bull rally. The moving average convergence divergence indicator for the 4-hour chart shows the blue MACD and orange signal lines have recently crossed over above the neutral zone, indicating a bullish momentum in the price. Now let's get back to the topic. The Shiba Inu community has once again rallied around its campaign to get SHIB listed on Robinhood after Kraken completed its SHIB listing on November 30th. The likes of Binance, Coinbase, FTX, Crypto.com, Huobi, and KuCoin, some of the most popular exchanges, also support SHIB. A petition for Robinhood to list SHIB currently has 541,000 signatures, adding 2,629 new supporters in the last week. In the immediate aftermath of Kraken's SHIB listing, the SHIB army took to Twitter to ask Robinhood about Shiba Inu. SHIB's volunteer project lead, Shytoshi Kusama, retweeted a post asking if Robinhood will list SHIB by the end of 2021. Other holders noted Robinhood's share price is down 70% after its cryptocurrency revenue dropped 79% in the last quarter. Going to Robinhood directly, the SHIB army also took over Robinhood's Twitter replies. Its latest tweet about different types of transaction fees has 473 replies, many dedicated to SHIB. However, these might not be helping Shiba Inu's case. Much of the demand for further listing comes from the view that further adoption will increase SHIB's price. The drive for Robinhood's support was further backed by Shiba Inu's 36% increase in the aftermath of Kraken's announcement. Through a listing on Robinhood, SHIB would gain access to its 18 million users. Despite the demands of the SHIB army, the exchange remains resilient in its own listing processes. Robinhood still only supports 7 cryptocurrencies, with the most recent addition being in 2018. During an interview in early November, Robinhood's chief operating officer said, "Our strategy is a little bit different from a lot of the other players out there who are just racing to list as many assets as possible right now. We think that the short-term gain we might get is not worth the long-term trade-off for our users." However, as Robinhood is now one of the few major exchanges not to list SHIB, the amplified demand for its listing will likely only increase. Now let's talk about Now Payment and SHIB. Now Payments burns 43 million SHIB in support of Shiba Inu community. Crypto payment gateway Now Payments has completed its first Shiba Inu burn following its adoption, sending 43,445,695 SHIB to the dead wallet. Initially meant to burn 3% of profits from SHIB and leash transactions, Now Payments instead opted to burn $2,059 in SHIB. Shiba Inu burning remains a popular community activity among the SHIB army. Record label Bigger Entertainment launched its SHIB burner playlist last month. This was followed by burns from mobile games and coffee companies, for example. SHIB burning from profits. The $2,059 burned by Now Payments is mostly from the company's own funds, rather than from SHIB payments. If it had burned 3% of its SHIB profits, Now Payments would have spent just $12. The company increased the total burn beyond these profits to stay true to the SHIB ecosystem principles, it told Planet Crypto. As for the $12 profits, Now Payments said this figure will rise with the new upcoming burns as more merchants sign up and the ETH fees go down. It also said that when the Shibarium Layer 2 goes live, expected to reduce fees, the total burn will increase. The next Now Payments burn will come in December, the company tweeted. To spark further interest in SHIB adoption from merchants, Now Payments is also preparing a SHIB merchant directory that will list all the places that accept Shiba Inu. The company will also add optional burn features for merchants. In mid-November, Now Payments explained to Planet Crypto why it decided to accept Shiba Inu. We share a global mission with the SHIB Foundation, which is to bring cryptocurrencies into the world around us, mass adoption, it said. Further payment providers are now gearing up to accept Shiba Inu payments. BitPay will allow AMC and Newegg to accept online SHIB payments in the coming months. BitBoy Crypto is bullish on SHIB after the mass adoption, so it's logical to deduce that Shiba Inu will outperform Dogecoin on Robinhood, bringing the exchange even more profits than Doge could. Perhaps a bigger reason SHIB holders should expect more price rallies for SHIB is the upcoming burn mechanism that Satoshi says will be coming with the launch of the NFTs. SHIB holders will have the opportunity to name their NFTs, but this will come with a $100 fee, which will be sent to a burn wallet. Now let's imagine that all Shiboshi holders decide to name their tokens, and everyone most likely will. We're looking at a $1 million burn. In comparison to Shiba Inu's market, it truly isn't much, but it's a much larger burn than anything that the dev team has suggested so far. Plus, there will be more Shiboshis released as the dev team works to expand the Oshiverse. And as Satoshi has hinted, every gameplay activity and purchase in the Oshiverse will also contribute to burn as well. So this means we're going to be seeing a lot of burn for Shiba Inu pretty soon, and this could trigger a massive price rally as well. Now, while Shiba Inu is violently bullish right now, the reality of things is that this bull run is not going to last forever. That's all for today. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. We hope you liked this video. Let us know in the comments below if you're a Shiba holder, and make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time at Shiba Inu Coin. Bye!